Hi, welcome to today's quick question for your revision and preparation. So it's a probability, it's crossover, grade 5, it's calculator, it's very wordy. I know a lot of people do not like this amount of words. So try not to get too bogged down with the words because a lot of it is just about trying to create a story, okay? Use that to imagine what is going on to help, but no more than that. Get the key information, use your knowledge of probability, and go for it. Good luck. Press play when you are ready to see the solution. Okay, so we're being told that the red to blue to green is in this ratio. I can't put those numbers straight in for the probabilities because probability has a maximum value of 1. The scale is from 0, impossible, to 1, certain. So those numbers are not working for probability. But what I am going to do is just turn them into the fractions. If I've got a bag and I've got 1, 3, and 7 counters, I'd have a total of 11, wouldn't I? So I've got 1 out of 11, 3 out of 11, and 7 out of 11 going in for my probability. Now, Jamie takes a random counter from the bag and records the colour. He puts the counter back. So that total is not changing. Every time he takes one and looks at it, goes back in, and it's the same total that we're taking from. He does this a number of times. We don't know how many times he does it. All we know is that he gets a total of 68 blue counters. So, blue counters. The probability of getting blue was 3/11. And we got 68 of them. 3/11 of, in fact, let me just rub that out and give myself a bit of space. 3/11 of a number. I don't know. They've not given it to me. I don't know how many times he actually put his hand in the bag and pulled the counter out. But I know that 3/11 of this number is 68. Now, I don't generally write in sentences, so I'm going to write 3/11 of, in maths means times, a number I don't know, equals 68. And now if I want to know what that number is, I can get it on its own. So I can take this through and times that by 11. So now I've got 3 times n equals 748. Divide through by that 3, and n is equal to 249.33, on and on it goes. So I would say 249. It's not the only way of doing it. So don't feel like it has to be algebraic. You can work through it without that. I'm just trying to show you how you can take the information and reword it for yourself. All right, I hope, as always, that is useful and that you will continue to join us regularly to help with your preparations in getting ready for your exams.